Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Nissan Frontier CrewCab SV 4x4. It is in the magnetic black pearl with the steel cloth interior. And coming down here to our wheels, we are riding on hand-cooked tires. These are going to be the 16-inch alloy wheels you do get on your SV, mud flaps, as well as your rear backup camera and locking rear tailgate, tow hitch down below as well. So just go ahead and press unlock on your key fob. This one does have around 16,000 miles. And we will insert our key in the dash and twist to start. So let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, it is the 4-liter dual overhead cam V6. It's making 261 horsepower, 281 foot-pounds of torque, all going to a part-time four-wheel drive system and a 5-speed auto. Expect MPG of 15 city, 21 highway, and you can tow a little over 6,300 pounds. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Coming in, we do have that steel cloth interior on this one. This is going to be a full-way manual driver's seat. And then checking out your door panel, you do have your power windows, locks, storage, mirrors with your hill descent control and cargo lamp are going to be over here on the dash. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. We have our audio as well as our Bluetooth and voice commands over here on the left. Over on the right, our cruise control. Now we do have our headlights as well as our blinkers. Then over on the right, our variable intermittent speed wipers. Now coming to that head unit, this is going to be an AM/FM iPod integrated with Bluetooth streaming audio and auxiliary inputs. Going home, as you can see, all of your options right there with your settings and Bluetooth phone. Below that, single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, temperature in your zones right here with your defrost and such. Below that, your four-wheel drive controls, traction control, storage, USB and auxiliary auto inputs with the 12 volt. And here's going to be that 5-speed automatic, low gear selection, and then in reverse you do have your rear backup camera with guidance lines. Cup holders, nice padded armrest with storage and a 12 volt. You do have 2 glove boxes over here also. Up top, manually dimming rearview mirror. Vanity mirror on your sun visor with some map lights and some sunglass storage. And that just about wraps it up for the front seat of the Frontier. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back to the rear seat, this is the CrewCab model. So you do have adequate room. As you can see, there are going to be storage bins underneath your seats, and it is a 60-40 folding split. Make it easier to put some larger items back here if you want to. Or you can fold them down. Checking out your door panel, have your same armrest, power window, and storage down below. And behind my 5'9" frame, I do have plenty of room. Seat back is very soft if you were to brush up against it. Foot room is adequate. You do have your seat mount pocket, as well as some cup holders down below. Up top, you do have headrest, your bed vent right there, as well as a dome light and cornering handles up top. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll go ahead and check out that cargo bed, and we'll wrap up our video. Coming around back, you do have your locking rear tailgate with your backup camera right there, as well as all of your trailer attachments down below. Opening it up, plenty of room back here. It is going to have a liner as well to protect your bed. Closing it up. That just about wraps it up for the 2019 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All their information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.